Start with ground beef, andouille sausage, and some dash cunning spice rub. Mix it up with your hands. Form the mixture into patties and put a little divot in the middle. This will keep it from bulbing up on you and turning into a round ball. Throw those guys on a screaming hot grill. Put some bacon in a pan and start cooking. Slice up your vegetables. Slice up some tomato and slice up some avocado. Use a knife to get the pit out and use a spoon to remove the skin. By the way, did you know that avocado, it comes from the Aztec word ahuajado, which means testicle? Anyways, slice up the avocado. Put that aside. Flip the bacon and flip your burgers. And now we're gonna wait so everything can cook. Maybe you can catch up on some reading by one of your favorite authors. Put some cheddar cheese on top of the burgers. Take the bun, add the avocado. Add the burger, add some tomato, add the bacon, add a little bit more bacon, add some original St. Brian's barbecue sauce, or Sweet Victory if you don't want the spicy stuff. Fry an egg. Add the egg to the burger. Boom, you've got a St. Brian's breakfast burger. Dig in.